As for the honor, if somebody had made defamation of somebody that he's a fornicator, or he had helped of fornication, or he is a homosexual, he's from the people of Lut, he said that to your brother, Muslim, as to, in a way of defamation, then in Islam he will have the following 3 punishment. Number 1, 80 lashes. It's not. So if somebody said, well, he just only said to you that you are fornicator. No. It's not like this. He just said. In Islam you will be punished. 80 lashes. That's number 1. Number 2 is shahada, testimony, will not be accepted by the judge. Your testimony regarding money, regarding crime, regarding weddings, regarding anything, whether it's to do with money or it's to do with somebody killing somebody, or even sighting the moon for the month of Ramadan, your testimony will not be accepted. That's the second punishment. Third punishment, corrupted you be, fasiq. So, for example, I will not give you my daughter to marry. You're not allowed to lead the prayer. Fasiq. Unless you bring 3 witnesses beside yourself, 4 witnesses, then it's okay. If you don't, you'll have defamation. Now, if he had repented, this one who had made the defamation, the scholars had differed. Is the judge going to accept his testimony? Do you understand me? His fisq is being removed now, but his testimony is going to be accepted. The correct opinion, yes, if he showed sign of good repentance. إلا من تاب وآمن وعمل عملا صالحا. طيب.